Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to download and install Codex on Mac. So before we proceed to a step, with the recent update, you don't need to install a separate app for Codex as well as ChatGPT. If you install ChatGPT, you can automatically switch to Codex by clicking on this arrow icon. So in short, you can either install ChatGPT or Codex. You will get access of both ChatGPT and Codex in one app. After this, so just search for install Codex or install ChatGPT on your browser. Then click on OpenAI website, Codex in ChatGPT or install ChatGPT. Now click on download for macOS. Now once the .dmg file is installed, just open Finder and go to download section. Then double click on the .dmg file. Now drag and drop the ChatGPT icon to application. Now wait for a while and that's it. You can access the ChatGPT app within the application section or you can also access it within the Spotlight search. So open it. If you see this pop-up, then click on open option. Now just log in with your account and as I said, you can click on this drop-down menu and switch to Codex if it is set to ChatGPT. So that's how you can install ChatGPT or Codex and access within the app. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.